This video will show you how to do a factory reset on your Polycom VVX phone in case the admin password is lost. This works for all VVX versions through 6.0.1. First, look for the MAC address. It will be on the other side of the phone behind the display screen. The MAC address is the longer alphanumeric sequence, usually above the barcode. Write this number down. Take note that the MAC address never contains the letter O, but may contain zeros. Next, unplug the power cable from the phone to turn it off. If there are multiple cables, the power cable will connect to the AC adapter port. If there is only one cable, you have a Power over Ethernet network cable, and you should unplug this to turn the phone off. Then plug in the AC adapter or Power over Ethernet network cable to initiate power to the device. Return the device back to the standing upright position. When a cancel button appears in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, press Cancel. A countdown will begin. Before the countdown has ended, simultaneously hold down the numeric keys 1, 3, and 5. The VVX will ask for a password. This will be the MAC address you wrote down earlier. To enter the MAC address, use the dial keys. There are two typing modes for the VVX. The third button from the right will be labeled 1, arrow, capital A, lowercase a. The first character is the current keypad output. Therefore, in this mode, numbers will be entered from pressing the corresponding dial keys. Pressing the typing mode button will change the output method to the next sequential character. In this case, pressing this button once will change the keypad output to capital letters, and the button will read capital A, arrow, lowercase a, 1. Press again to type in lowercase letters. When entering the MAC address, please enter all letters in lowercase. Because each key has multiple letters assigned to it, you need to press the key the number of times corresponding to the placement of the letter. For example, if you want to type the letter F, the 3 key would be pressed 3 times. To type a T, the 8 key must be pressed only once. Please note that if a character is repeated, such as FF, you should pause 3 seconds before typing the second character. This pause allows the cursor to move to the next position. The letters and numbers you type will only appear on screen as asterisks, so this may take a few tries. However, on phones with a directional pad, such as the 101 through 411, the left arrow key will act as a delete key should you make a mistake. On touchscreen models, 500 through 601, the volume down key can act as a delete key. Once complete, press OK. The phone will either prompt configuration reset or incorrect password. If you see incorrect password, re-enter the password. If you see configuration reset, do not press any keys. The phone will begin its factory reset. After the reset, you can reprogram your phone, including its password. Please refer to the instructions of your individual VVX phone model for this.